up, guys? Welcome back to another taco review. We're on Pulaski and what street is that? What? 47, between 47 and 45th. It's Guayabo. Look good, dude? Shit. I'm burning my tongue there. I can't taste it. It's decent, dude. I give it a 5.1 out of 10. Let's try the hot dog. Did they give us hot dogs? Yeah, they did. The green one. Yeah, 5.2 out of 10. Oh, taco a day keeps the cops away, guys. Have a good one.